Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Stephanie, and yes, I am generally an unboxer, and I do things beauty and makeup and skincare related and hair care. However, I'm also a closeted nerd. I love all things technology and electronics, and I ordered myself a new phone because my old phone was 2 years old and honestly getting kind of worn out. So I got the S23 Ultra. It arrived today, and this is what the box looks like. Now I'm going to tell you right now, it's not quite as thin as it normally would be. My phone is in there and it has a case on it. But this is the box, and it generally comes flush. So it is no thicker than this part of the box. This is all it looks like. I have covered up the identifying information there. So I ordered this direct from Samsung, and you could pick from 4 Samsung only colors, and then they had the other 4 colors that are available at all the major carriers. I went ahead and picked a Samsung only color, and honestly didn't really like any of them. Was going to go with black, but I didn't. So this is what the inside looks like. There is, some information in here in the cover. It's got kind of your little owner's manual in here. This is pretty much all you get. So pull this out. There is a little charging cord in here, which I appreciate very much because, can always use these. Your quick start guide is in here. If you need, there's the little key that pops open the SIM card slot. Obviously, you take it to a major carrier. They have those available, So they will do that activation and pop that open for you. There it is. That is what it looks like. Honestly, I didn't have a need for it. They did it for me. So this is all it looks like. That's all that really comes in here. Pretty simple. So this is how your phone comes. I've got it upside down. I'm going to swing it around. This little sticky does come stuck to your phone. Again, my phone has already been activated and I do have a case on it. So let's break to the case. I ordered a case through the Samsung site. It's just their clear crystal case. That's all it looks like. Pretty simple. I don't know why, but they send you like a little owner's manual with it. In case you've never owned a case for your phone before, I'm not really sure. But this is what I got. I got this kind of titanium color. Honestly, let me look and see if they've got a color name on here. I don't remember what it's called, but this is exclusive to the Samsung website. I just liked it because it's kind of that brushed nickel look. These are all the cameras and sensors. You can tell I have this case on, and you guys, this case, I don't know how to get it off. It is kind of a stiff, hard plastic case. So it's on there. This is the phone, kind of dirty. It is currently in the process of transferring files from my old phone. There you got your volume rockers, your power button. All right, nothing on that side really. Microphone, speaker, I'm not sure which one's which. I think that was probably microphone. There's your charging. We've got some other little ports and things, speaker. There's the S Pen. Let's see if I can get it out. Honestly, guys, I haven't even taken this S Pen out. Here it comes. There's the S Pen. You can write. It's just like having a note. So let's take a look at that S Pen. This is how it looks. The slot for the S Pen is on the left. Clicks right in. It's on this left side. There's your SIM card slot. There's the phone. There's your volume, power rocker. So this is substantially more squared off. This is, again, the S23 Ultra. Now I went in, all in. I got the 1 terabyte memory size. This phone I expect to last me at least a solid 2 years. My last phone was an S21 Ultra or Plus, I believe. Much more rounded corners. Size-wise, pretty nearly the same size. This one feels marginally larger than that one. Yeah, so far, honestly, I unpacked this and went in, got it activated, and I have not even had a phone call on this yet. So far, I'm happy with it, the way it looks. It seems quite snappy. It is currently, like I said, transferring all the files off my old phone onto this one through SmartThings. The other thing I got off of the Samsung website, besides this just clear case, and I just got this because I'm looking and shopping around for other cases. I did get a set of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, which I have unboxed in another video, but we'll quick take a look at them. This is what it looks like. This is how they look. Now, I got these in the lavender, and this is the same color they offered the phone in. Honestly, I just didn't see myself looking at this color for 2 years on my phone, even though it's probably going to get covered up by a case and I probably won't even realize what color it is. I thought these would be nice in the earbuds. They only offered them in black, white, or this lavender color. Black, I figured if I dropped them somewhere dark, I'd never find it. White, I figured if I dropped them out in the snow, I would never find them. So I got this purple color. Hopefully that'll pop out. This is what they look like. These are paired with my phone. One's for the right ear, one's for the left ear. I'll pop the right ear out. There is a R on that right there. So they have sensors to tell you whether they're in your ear. Pair them with your phone with a smart app on it. You do a hearing, like a test to see if it's called a fit test, to see if they fit your ears properly. If they don't, you can change out these little fuzzy little thingies, because if you open this up, this is your charging cable. And look what's hidden in there. Almost hard to know that they're in there, but this is the other size of those little ear. Hang on, we're getting them out. There we go. So those little ear things, if those do not qualify as giving you good fit, you can try these as a different size. So that is really nice, although I feel like those are hidden, and if you really weren't looking to pull this out because you're like, it's just a charging cable, I have a USB-C charging cable, I don't need this right now. Honestly, I didn't realize those were in there at first because they were pretty well hidden. So anyway, they're paired. I have not used them really other than that, so hopefully they work really well. I will find out. This is just an unboxing, y'all, but I'm really excited for this phone. It is in this hard case. You can already see fingerprints all over it. So I've already got my theme loaded to it, the time on it. Look, y'all, it's February 13th, so you'll be seeing this after that. Hope y'all had a great Valentine's Day. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I activated this on the T-Mobile network. I did buy the fully unlocked national version, so this can be used on any carrier I so choose. So if I decide I want to get off the T-Mobile network, I can do that. I am not locked into any contracts, and this will go with me wherever. It's just a matter of swapping out the SIM card, making sure this gets unlocked off the T-Mobile, and then I can switch it to any carrier I want. So thanks, you guys. Let me just quick pull the phone out, show you again. This is how slim this box came. This is what it looked like. This is no thicker than this. S23 Ultra. So, all right. Let me know your thoughts down below. Are you springing for a new phone? Are you getting one of the S23 versions? Either the base model, the Plus, or the Ultra. And then what did you opt for memory? As much as I use my phone, I went full bore on memory, full terabyte. So this should last me for at least 2 years. Fingers are crossed. So thank you guys so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Let me know, like I said, your thoughts, and have a great day, everybody. I'll see you on my next video.